What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Ford Era. You got me, Solomon, here, and today I am going to show you guys how to clean up an old truck. So right over here we got one of the newer trucks to come to the channel. This is a 1971 F100 long bed. It is originally color, but some spots have been repainted, and as you guys can see, it is pretty chalky and dirty and messy and full of crap, and really can use a little bit of attention. So what we're going to be doing today is just that. I'm going to be cleaning the truck. I'm going to start out with a regular wash, then I'm going to hit it with SuperClean and a Magic Eraser, and the truck should look a lot cleaner by the time that finishes. But before we do that, let me empty out the bed and show you guys all that on some time lapses. For me, first step is blow everything off. So I've got this electric Milwaukee blower. Start with first thing I'm going to be doing is just regular power washer, not super close, just going to blow off all the loose stuff. So I'm going to start from top to bottom. Just gave the truck a quick wash, and it already looks much better. It's nice and clean, but now you can really see how chalky this is. So now what we're going to be doing is spraying panel by panel some SuperClean and then wiping it with Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and then we're going to rinse it off with water. So enjoy the process. Wow, what a difference that made already. So I only did this door, but as you guys could see, look how much more vibrant it is and blue. You can literally see the line right here. That's how much crud is coming off. It's looking good. Now let's move on to the front fender. Finished up on the passenger side, and man, does it look good. It's literally that easy. You just wipe on, wipe off, and look at this door. It looks fantastic. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the rest of the hood, and then we're going to do the other side. So enjoy the time lapse. How freaking good does that look? Finished up this quarter panel. It looks really nice, and now I'm gonna just clean up and then I'll see you guys. Just wrapped up over here, finished washing all of it. Man, this thing looks so much better. It's so much more vibrant. I just love how that looks. So I'm gonna clean this stuff up. It's starting to get a little bit dark, so I'm probably gonna finish cleaning the truck tomorrow, so we will see you then. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the video. So it's the next day. Truck is all dried on the outside, and man, does it look good. Look how nice and clean it is. This thing turned out amazing. Okay, so now that you guys saw how the outside turned out, it's time to focus on the inside, which leaves a lot to be desired. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean out whatever's on the floor, and then grab the vacuum and start vacuuming everything, and then cleaning it up. So enjoy the time lapse. But we're pretty much done vacuuming anyway. So look how much better it looks already, just vacuumed out. So now I'm going to take the seat out so I can really get the carpet and all that stuff clean. So I'm gonna go get some tools and then see you in a second. All right, got the seat out, and now we need more vacuuming. So, gonna do that right now. Gonna move the seat out the way and then see you in the time lapse. All right, now we're all vacuumed up. So, gonna come in here with a bristle brush and try to clean all the little dirt, just get it all loose. So, gonna go grab my brush right now, be right back. All right guys, so what I like to use is just any type of bristle brush, get it from the dollar store or whatever, and you just start hitting all the areas that are like hard dust, just so that way you loosen it up. I got the interior about 50% clean. Now I need to take out this mat, and then some of the stuff that I'm gonna get to now, I use this guy, and I make sure to get it all the way into all the corners, because you want to get any dust that might be in any cab corners. I always try to like go in here, like wherever I could, just to try to get some of the dust out of spots that are usually the places that rust starts to go. So I am gonna do that right now. Just got out both of the door sills, and now I'm going to take out the carpet. I still need to take this off, and I'm going to take these out. This is for the seat belts. I'm going to take that off. Might as well just take out the other seat belt ones while I am at it. So going to go get the tools that I need for that and be right back. I just removed that and then all the little seat belt stuff, put them in a Ziploc and labeled it. That way I don't forget what it is, and when I need to start putting that stuff back together, I know exactly what it is and where it is. So right now, I'm gonna be pulling the carpet out, so let's do it. Just lifted up the carpet, and it's cruddy, but it's not holy. So that's obviously a hole that was put there because it's really nice. And then let's walk over to the other side real fast. This side looks like the heater core probably was leaking because it's wet, or maybe rain gets in, I don't know. But anyway, gonna bust the vacuum out, vacuum all this stuff up, and show you guys how it looks afterwards. Okay, now we have a little bit of a better view. It's pretty solid. The only hole is this one right here. Didn't notice that a minute ago, but that's at least pretty easy to fix. Throw a nice little patch, but everything else looks nice. Now I gotta hit it with the bristle brush. Probably also hit it with like a wire brush or something, just to kind of kick off all the flake, and vacuum it one more time, and then I think I'll be pretty happy with how the floor looks. So I'm gonna go do that right now, and I will pick you up when I finish all of that. So, got a bristle brush, just gonna now the floor has a lot less crud on it. You can actually see what we're working with. So this side is really scaly. It's got a couple of little pinholes, but it's overall not so bad. Driver's side is really clean, only has that one pinhole. So now pretty much finished with the basic cleaning of the truck, and I'm going to now get the power washer, gonna wash out the entire interior, and then hit the whole thing with the Magic Eraser and some SuperClean, and I will probably show you guys doing that, so here we go. Now that is all nice and washed, it is looking much better. Gonna go grab my air blower, blow all the water out, and show you guys again. Just blew out the whole interior. It's looking much better. Now I'm going to clean up the surfaces like I did the outside, SuperClean and Magic Eraser. So enjoy these time lapses. We are back inside, and we've got SuperClean and a Magic Eraser. Get nice and comfy. I'm gonna start with the dashboard. So of the interior, and it looks so good. Dashboard is all done. The floor looks really nice, and then driver's side of the back. It's pretty cool. You can actually see if the lighting changes from how dirty it was to how clean it is. I mean, look, literally just. So, gonna keep scrubbing, and yeah, gonna just keep scrubbing. Interior is all clean. Look how nice and vibrant everything is. So now, to get all the water out of everywhere, gonna hit it with the air blower. We are all finished basically for cleaning it right now. So we got the floors looking really nice, all clean. The back wall, the top, all of it looks amazing. And then obviously the outside is looking super fresh. So that's it. That's where I'm going to end this video, because the next video with this truck will probably be cleaning up the interior, like actually cleaning it, you know, painting the floors, whatever I'm going to end up doing to it. There's some stuff that I still haven't done, like I still need to clean the inside of the bed, but I figured you guys have already seen enough, and it's pretty much repeating the same steps over and over. I haven't cleaned the top of this door, but yeah. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is just get after it. You know, I don't have any special tools or anything to clean it up. It's literally just water, SuperClean Magic Eraser, vacuum cleaner, whole bunch of elbow grease. So thank you guys again for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving us a like. It really helps us. If you have any questions, comments, drop them down below. Even if you think it's silly, just drop a comment, because it really helps me with the rankings. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to support the channel, we've got hats like this. We've got this shirt. Hold on. So we've got this shirt with this awesome design on the back. All you guys got to do is head over to fordera.com, get you one, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.